Organizing your arguments, a roadmap to a strong thesis statement. Hello learners. Today, we are diving deep into the art of crafting a compelling thesis statement. A thesis isn't just a simple statement, it's a beacon of light guiding your entire essay. But how do you ensure that your thesis is supported by logically ordered arguments? Let's discover together. Remember, when your arguments are well organized, your thesis becomes undeniably persuasive. A thesis statement is the foundation of your essay. Think of it as a guiding star for your readers. It tells them 1. What your essay is about. 2. The stance or viewpoint you're taking. 3. Gives them an idea of how you'll support this viewpoint. For a thesis statement to be effective, it needs strong, logically organized supporting arguments. Before we delve into organizing, let's understand what makes an argument strong. A powerful argument. 1. Relevance. It directly supports your thesis. 2. Clarity. It is easy to understand and devoid of jargon. 3. Evidence-based. It isn't just an opinion. It's backed by facts, examples, or data. Now, the real magic. Organizing your arguments is like assembling pieces of a puzzle. Let's learn how to do it. 1. Chronological order. If your arguments build upon one another in a time sequence, this is the best route. For example, explaining the evolution of a concept over decades. 2. Importance. Sometimes, it's effective to start with your strongest argument and work your way down. This grabs attention immediately. 3. Cause and effect. This can be a powerful tool. Present a cause and then delve into its effects, linking back to your thesis. 4. Compare and contrast. This method lays out differences or similarities in your arguments, making clear distinctions or links. 5. Problem and solution. First, present a problem that aligns with your thesis, then propose a solution. Remember, the key is consistency. Stick to one organizational pattern throughout your essay. Between each of your organized arguments, you'll want to provide smooth transitions. Transitions guide your reader from one point to the next, ensuring they can easily follow your line of thought. Phrases like, furthermore, on the other hand, or, as a result, can be helpful. Crafting a well-organized set of arguments to support your thesis is akin to building a strong foundation for a house. When done right, it ensures that your viewpoint stands tall and unshaken. We hope this guide helps you in making your essays even more compelling. Remember, a logically structured argument is the backbone of a persuasive essay. Happy writing!